Namaste to all. Here I'm with a live uh, class on YouTube. So let us discuss the one problem relating to ratio analysis. Uh, rotate the device. It is saying I have already rotated. So without wasting time, let us try to solve the problem. So if you have any doubts, the doubts will be clarified later. Now let us solve the problem. So here we are. Question number 16, September October 2021 question. Here in this question they said that given that current ratio is 1.75, liquid ratio is 1.25, net working capital is rupees 1,50,000. That is, working capital is nothing but current assets minus current liabilities. This is the key for us to solve the problem. Okay, so this is the most important thing we have. Okay, uh, if any doubts and other things, message me after explaining the video. Okay, first let me explain the problem first. Okay, so let us solve the question. You are required to calculate current assets, current liabilities, quick assets, stock. These are the things we need to calculate, right? So let us solve those things one after other. Given that one current ratio equals to current assets divided by current liabilities current assets by current liabilities equals to 1.75. they gave how much? 1.75. 1.75 divided by 1 you can take. 1.75 divided by 1 we can take. Okay, so if nothing is there in division, we can assume it as 1, right? So current assets is equals to how much? Current assets equals to 1.75 current asset. Okay, total current assets. Then total current liability. What? Total current liabilities equals to 1 current asset as per the information we are having. Okay, so next to 2 quick ratio. what is quick ratio here? Quick ratio is equals to quick assets divided by current liabilities. So current liabilities equals to quick assets divided by current liabilities equals to 1.25 divided by 1. That means quick assets equals to 1.25 current asset. CA here means current assets. Okay. Next they give third one to us in the information. Net working capital. Net working capital equals to rupees 1,50,000, which is nothing but current assets minus current liabilities equals to rupees 1,50,000. Do we have current assets total value in rupees? No, we don't have in values, but we have see, someone is messaging me here in the live class. Sir, I want a banking and financial institution related important theory question which is already uploaded. Please check it in community section as well as in playlist or else previously uploaded videos. Recent videos, if you see, you can find that one. Please boss, you can check it from there. Okay, it is already uploaded. Current assets minus current liabilities. What is current asset? Here you can say current assets is equals to 1.75 and current liability is equals to 1. So 1.75 current assets minus 1 current asset, that is nothing but your current liability, equals to rupees 1,50,000. Okay, so 1.75 current asset minus 1 current asset, it will be 0.75 current assets equals to rupees 1,50,000, equals to how much? 1,50,000. Then total current assets equals to how much? Current assets equals to, if you take this 0.75 other side, rupees 1,50,000 divided by 0.75. So 0.75 we are getting. So current assets is equals to 1,50,000 divided by 0.75 equals to how much total? Therefore, one current asset equals to rupees 2 lakhs. So current assets is equals to rupees 2 lakhs we are getting. Okay, so total here you can see here a bit we are going to do now. Current assets, we need to find out current assets. Okay, current assets, since current ratio equals to 1.75 divided by 1, that is current asset divided by current liability. So total current assets equals to 1.75 current assets. Here we got current asset, one current asset, how much? 2 lakhs. So here we'll write 1.75 into rupees 2 lakhs. Okay, this 2 lakhs total current assets value, okay, you have taken. So therefore total current assets equals to how much? 2 lakhs into 1.75 rupees 3,50,000. This is what the answer about current assets value. Next we need to find out the current liability B.BIT. He is asking us to calculate current liabilities. So total current liabilities equals to one current asset. So 1 into rupees 2 lakhs, you can get rupees 2 lakhs as current liabilities. Therefore total current liabilities 2 lakhs. Or you can find out in other way with the help of current ratio. Current ratio equals to current assets divided by current liabilities, right? Current assets divided by current liabilities. 1.75 divided by 1 equals to current assets we have got just now rupees 3,50,000. So write 3,50,000 current assets divided by current liabilities. We don't know, right? Current liabilities as well as it is. If you do cross multiplication from here on, okay, current liabilities equals to rupees 3,50,000 into 1, rupees 3,50,000 divided by 1.75. Then also you will get the same amount. See here, 3,50,000 divided by 1.75, 2 lakhs. Therefore total current liabilities equals to rupees 2 lakhs. There are two methods. Directly you can multiply or you can do it in this way. Next one, C.BIT, quick assets. Since quick ratio equals to 1.25, so quick assets equals to 1.25 current assets. So 1.25 into current assets, we got 1 current asset equals to 2 lakhs. So 1 current assets is equals to 2 lakhs. If you multiply 2 lakhs into 1.25, it is 2,50,000. How much? Rupees 2,50,000. Therefore quick assets. सो क्विक असेट्स भी आ गया, करंट लायबिलिटी आ गया आपको यहाँ पे करंट लायबिलिटी. देन डेबिट is asking us to calculate stock. What is stock? How you will get the stock? See, one formula is there for quick assets. With the help of that we can calculate. So calculation of stock with the help of quick assets. Quick assets equals to current assets minus stock. So now quick assets, we know we have got rupees 2,50,000. Current assets, we have got rupees 3,50,000. But stock we don't know, right? Stock as it is. If you take stock to the other side, stock is equals to rupees 3,50,000 minus rupees 2,50,000. So therefore stock is equals to 3,50,000 minus 2,50,000, 1 lakh rupees. ये सिंबल नहीं आ रहा. 1 lakh equals to stock. So rupees 1 lakh is equals to stock we have calculated. Next, finally, if you want to verify our answer whether it is correct or not, so verification we can do. Verification, working capital is equals to current assets minus current liabilities. What is your current assets? You have got rupees 3,50,000 minus current liabilities 2 lakhs, right? Rupees 2 lakhs. Okay, so from 3,50,000 if you deduct rupees 2 lakhs, okay, rupees 1,50,000, we are getting working capital. Check your answer with net working capital given in the question. Net working capital given 1,50,000. That is nothing but what I said. Working capital is nothing but current assets minus current liabilities. Total current assets we got 3,50,000 and current liabilities we got 2 lakhs. So our answer is correct. Any doubts? If any doubts, please give a message in the chat box. Otherwise we can end here itself. ये है पूरा आंसर. Just remember one thing, current ratio equals to current assets by current liabilities. So total current assets is equals to 1.75 current asset, current liability is equals to 1 current asset. Quick ratio, quick assets 1.25 current assets. Net working capital, this is the important formula for calculating. So working capital is equals to current assets minus current liabilities. This formula is very important one for us. So if you remember that formula, you can easily solve the problem. Okay, next 1.75 minus 1 current assets is equals to 1,50,000. 0.75, 1.75 minus 1, 0.75 current assets is equals to 1,50,000. Current assets is equals to 1,50,000 divided by 0.75. We are getting 1 current asset is equals to 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs, एक current asset के लिए 2 lakhs है तो ఒక్క కరెంట్ అసెట్స్ కి 2 lakhs అయితే 1.75, so 2 lakhs into 1.75, you will get current assets, and 2 lakhs into 1, that is current liability, then 2 lakhs into 1.25, that is your what we call quick assets, 2,50,000. And difference between current assets and quick assets, 1,50,000 minus 2,50,000, sorry, 3,50,000 minus 2,50,000, that is stock value. So hope you have understood all this. Thank you one and all. जय हिंद. सीखते रहो क्योंकि सीखना बन तो जीतना बन. जय हिंद. लाइक करो, शेयर करो, दोस्तों तक पहुंचा दो.